Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So if you are new in the Go programming language, then you must have a doubt where Go programming language is used actually. So today we will see where Golang is used. So before that, I want to share you that I have created a Golang quick reference PDF. So you can download it from your backendbuddy.com and write your email address and you will receive your free copy of Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So let's begin to learn where Golang is used. Okay, so here are some use cases of the Golang. So first one is definitely backend development. So if you want to develop a backend REST API or backend server, then definitely you can use the Golang as a backend development. Next use case is in the DevOps. So many DevOps require some development or scripting related stuff in the server side, backend side. So for that you can use Golang definitely. So many DevOps are also started using the Golang programming language. Next, if you are open source contributor, then definitely it is an emerging programming language which is mostly used in the new technologies like Kubernetes, Docker. So there are many open source projects out there. Let's say Kubernetes is fully developed in the Golang, Docker, Hugo is a static web development, all the library similar to the WordPress, it is there. So that also developed in the Golang. So if you want to contribute in those type of projects, then definitely at that place Golang is used. And last, like if you want to develop some utility and scripting, like for the Windows, Macintosh, Linux, not depend on the platform. So Golang is used in all the platform. Okay, so you can develop in all the platform this small utility or scripting things. So all this places like backend development, DevOps, open source contribution, many projects like a Kubernetes, and utility and script development, Golang is definitely used. Now, who is using Golang? So normally Google, Uber, Twitch, SoundCloud, BBC, Dropbox, SandGrid, Twilio. So a lot of companies are using Golang in their production environment also. And there are a few popular projects are also there which are developed in the Golang like Kubernetes, Docker, CockroachDB, Hugo, and yeah, Core DNS. That's also developed in the Golang. So these are the few pointer like where Golang is used. So I hope your little bit concept and things are clear, like where actual in the practical Golang is used in the real-time environment and in the production. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt then write in the comment. So whenever I get time I will reply you. And if you are new and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will give me a motivation to deliver you more backend development content. And don't forget to press on the bell icon. And yeah, I have also created the Golang quick reference book PDF file. So you can visit to the yourbackendbuddy.com. I have given link in the description also. So you can register your email and you will get your Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.